All right, in the interest of keeping things simple, we're going to be just reviewing again with substitution, how to solve a system of equations with substitution. Might be a little bit more complicated. Later on, we'll look at like special cases, maybe elimination after that. But so far, we've learned how to solve a system by graphing and then solve a system by substitution. We're reviewing the substitution right now. So this will be the problem that we're looking at. Remember, you have to find an x and a y coordinate because the solution to a system of equations is where the graphs of the lines intersect, and that would be an ordered pair, a point. So the first step is to choose one of these equations and solve for one of the variables. Now I'm going to choose this equation because the y is super simple to solve for. So I'll write that on the side here, equals -2, and I'll solve for y. So add 5x, they are not like terms. So 5x and then -2. Now this is important. We've already used this equation, so now we need to use this one, and we're going to replace y. We're going to replace this y with this because that is what y equals. So it's important that you do that in the unused equation. If you do it in this equation, things will cancel out and you'll just get -2 equals -2. In fact, I'll show you that right now. So this is wet paper. All right, so let's see. Whatever. If I were to put this into this equation, so don't do this. So this, putting it into that equation, so -5x plus, and then instead of y, I would write this, 5x minus 2. There's nothing in front of this y, so I don't need parentheses there, equals -2. Then those cancel, and I just get -2 equals -2. Not helpful. Is it with 2 L's? Whatever. I don't know. Doesn't help. So make sure you're plugging, now we can go back to this, plugging this into the unused equation. So let's do that. It's -3x plus 6. I do need parentheses now because I have something to distribute. So plug in the 5 minus 2 equals -12. Distribute the 6, so I get -3x plus 30x minus 12 equals -12. And now I will combine like terms and solve for x. So that would be 27x minus 12 equals -12 plus 12 plus 12. They cancel out. So that means I have 27x equals 0. Divide by 27. X equals 0. But I am not finished. You need to plug this back in. You can plug it into the original, any one of the originals, or even this one, and I think it's easiest to just plug it into this one because y is already all by itself, and that's what you want to find, the y. So y equals 5 times 0 minus 2. 5 times 0 is 0, so y equals -2, and then my ordered pair is 0, comma, -2. And that is all. So just a little refresher. Good luck.